Welcome back to my channel Educationhub.48.
जो भी हुआ भूल जाओ. Forget whatever happened. Forget whatever happened. बाद में वापस आना. Come back later. Come back later. तुम बदल गए हो. You have changed. You have changed. सीधे बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. कहने को कुछ नहीं बचा. Nothing left to say. Nothing left to say. क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई है? Is there anyone behind you? Is there anyone behind you? ये मेरा आखिरी फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? ये आज के लिए काफी है. That's enough for today. That's enough for today. रास्ता मत रोको. Don't block the way. Don't block the way. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. मेरी किस्मत खराब है. I have bad luck. I have bad luck. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. वहां कुछ नहीं था. Nothing was there. Nothing was there. तुम बेशरम हो. You are shameless. You are shameless. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. He can do anything. He can do anything. ये किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? मासूम मत बनो. Don't act innocent. Don't act innocent. उसने मुझे धमकी दी. He threatened me. He threatened me. हम दोनों नहीं. Neither of us. Neither of us. वहां मिलते हैं. See you there. See you there. मुझसे छुपाओ मत. Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. मेरे आने तक यहाँ रुको. Stay here till I come. Stay here till I come. अब तुम कोशिश करो. Now you try. Now you try. मैं तुम्हें जल्द बताऊंगा. I will tell you shortly. I will tell you shortly.
Thanks for watching Educationhub.48. Subscribe for more videos.